Good morning, children. This is Astha Mishra, your science teacher. Children, today we will discuss chapter 3, Birds. This is a part 2 video. In this video, we will discuss about feathers of birds and feet and claws of birds. Now, first point is feathers of birds. Children, different birds have different feathers of different colors, different shapes. They are both light and strong. They help the bird to keep their bodies warm. Feathers are of three types. Down feather. Down feathers, these fluffy and soft feathers keep the body of the bird warm. These feathers are located underneath the body feathers. Body feathers. Body feathers are small and stiff, but they are strong. They are present over the down feathers and cover the entire body. They give color and shape to the bird's body. Flight feathers. These are long and flat feathers attached to the wing and tail of the bird. They are strong and help the bird to fly and change directions. Our next topic is feet and claws of birds. Children, birds have 2 feet with 4 toes in each foot that end in a curved claw. They use their feet to move, hunt for food, and to protect themselves for enemies. They use their claws to catch food. Claws also help them to climb and sit on the branches of trees. Now, first one we will going to discuss about claws, flesh-eating birds, like claws of an eagle. Birds of prey like eagles, vultures and falcons have sharp and curved claws. It is called talons, which are used to grip small animals like toad and rat while flying. Next, perching birds, claws of an crow. See this image. Perching birds like sparrows, crows and myna have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. These toes help the birds to hold on firmly to the branches of a tree even while sleeping. Next, scratching birds, claws of hen. Hens have strong legs with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Their toes have sharp, hard claws which help them to scratch and dig the ground in order to search for insects and buried seeds. Next, climbing birds, claws of woodpecker. Birds like woodpecker and parakeets have two toes pointing forward and the other two pointing backward. These help them to climb and cling to trees. Next, swimming birds. Claws of duck. Feet of ducks and swans are joined by a soft and thin skin. Between the toes, this type of feet are called webbed feet. Their webbed feet help them to push water backward while swimming. Next, wading birds. Claws of crane. Birds like herons and cranes have long legs with spread out toes that help them wade, means move, through muddy and shallow water to catch their food such as fish, insects and crabs. That's all for today, children. I hope you understood these two topics, feathers of birds and feet and claws of birds. Thank you. Have a good day.